shitted on them. Man, I just shitted on them.
What's up, y'all? Hold on, let me turn this down just a little bit. So from the title of this video, y'all know already, I am about to be installing a synthetic wig. Y'all, I seen this video on TikTok, and I was like, yo, I need that wig. So my friend works at the beauty supply store, and I hit her up and I was like, yo, the next time you're at work, let me know if they have this brand. And honestly, I'm just gonna put the video up on the screen so you guys can see exactly what this wig looked like, because the girl made it look so fudging phenomenal. Like it just looks so good. I picked out the golden peach one, and Arlena 30-inch. So this is 30-inch, but I'm 5'6", 5'7". This hits me about my lower back, like nearly right on top of my butt crack. Okay, wait guys, before I actually go and install this wig, let me do a mini review so y'all could see what this is looking like. All right, so I'm putting it out of the pack. Okay, so if the lace looks a little bit dark, it's because I already put foundation on it, because I was just playing around with it, but it didn't come like this. Okay, first let's get into the color. Let me turn this down a little bit because I feel like it looks a bit lighter in the rear view, but it's not that light. Okay, maybe. Okay, it's still not that light, but I don't know. I'm just gonna have to see how it looks when I'm editing this on the computer, because it's like a, how do I explain this color? It's like a strawberry, but it's not. You know when people say strawberry hair blonde? That's what it's like. Because it's not a blonde, but it also has like small like blonde streaks in it, like only if you're looking closely. But it's like that strawberry blonde. Definitely has a pinky peachy tone to it. It's really cute. This is what the curls are looking like. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of mousse on it so the frizz could go down, but there's not much shine on this at all. Like, if you're scared of the shine, I promise you that's the least of your worries, because this could pass for human hair, honestly. The lace itself there's not a lot of lace to work with. I wish there was, but it's whatever, because middle part is my thing anyways. The lace is not stretchy, so if you got a big head, I do not recommend this, because if my head was any bigger than what it is now, this would not fit me. I have like an average size head, I would say, like a 22 circumference or 21.5, I guess. What else? It comes with combs and stuff. I might cut them out, I might not, I don't know. But other than that, the wig itself is nice. It's not, it doesn't feel hard, it's very soft. Does it shed? It sheds a little bit. When I was running my hands through it earlier, it does shed, and it does come with a bit of baby hairs. So would I recommend this wig for beginners? Yes and no. Yes, because let's say you mess up the hair. You don't want to be messing up a $400 wig. You could mess up a $50, $60 wig, you know? Wouldn't hurt you that much. But for like customization and stuff, I wouldn't recommend it, because it already comes like middle part baby hairs, plug to, like, there's not much to do to it, and it's already curled. So I wouldn't recommend it for customization wise. But if you're just looking for something like, shit, my hairstylist didn't come through and it's my birthday, you could easily model this on yourself. It's not hard. Okay, so this is what I'm looking like underneath the hoodie. Y'all, I look like a little peacock, but it's okay, whatever. All right, so this is the wig cap I have on. I already put my foundation around the edges. Y'all can see it on my hand. I put it like right around here and in the center. The foundation I used was a little bit darker. That's why I'm not even gonna bother putting makeup on this. I'm just gonna go straight into what is that? Installing it. Okay, bitch, period. Hold on. I'm gonna have to stand a little bit to the side so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, like y'all could see the lace, like that is the wig cap that I have underneath, but it's okay because I'll just put a little bit more foundation. This is what it's, damn, like get on my face. Okay, this is what it's looking like. You see, very pretty. You see, this is what the curls look like. Like, imagine my makeup done. Like, get into it. This is the hairline. This is what it looks like. Very natural. The part looks really nice. Changed my top so y'all could see the drop a lot better, like the curls. And it's giving what's supposed to be gave. I like it. I can already imagine like my face beat. So what I was gonna do, my sister came in here and was embarrassing me on the phone with her friend. So my sister's like, it's too low on my forehead, but I don't think it is. Or should I put it right here? What do you guys think? Actually, in the meantime, while that's drying, I'm going to be using Carol's daughter hair milk. It's a mousse, and I'm just going to like try to tame this fizz a little bit because you know it is synthetic. I don't want to be running a comb and stuff through that, so I'm about to cut off the last bit of lace. Oh, this side looks way better than this side because I cut off a little bit too much lace, but in a little bit, yeah, I'm going to put it down. Yeah, so definitely for these wigs, you don't want to cut off too much lace because if you do, it just doesn't look the best. Like, do you see the difference? Okay, so now what I'm going to go do is do my makeup, and then I'm going to come back and, but first of all, let's just, yo, synthetic wigs, let me turn this music off. Yo, get into it. Like, wait until my makeup is done Like, who is talking to me? I feel like it's a bit bright, but I think I'm gonna try and mess with the lighting while I'm editing the video. So I'm gonna go do my makeup and get cute for y'all, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished look, because I still gotta hot comb it and stuff. So I'll be back. So guys, hold on, let me pause this. This is the finished look. Oh my gosh, I did my makeup. I would have been done sooner, but I had to redo my eye look because I did dark eyeshadow and I was not feeling it, especially with the light colored hair. It was just not giving. The only thing with this hair is I don't know what color jewelry. Hold on, let me see if I turn it up, or should I go darker with the light? Hold on, because I really want you guys to see the true. Sorry, I just don't know if I would go with gold jewelry or silver. I think gold will look Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that little bell. Like, comment, and share, please. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below, and if you guys would like to see a makeup tutorial, you guys can go ahead and let me know down in the comment section, and I'll be sure to upload one whenever I have time to. Thank you for watching my first YouTube video. This was like, I mean, it wasn't nerve-wracking because I didn't really do much, but this is me, and welcome to my YouTube.
Put your number twos in the air if you didn't do them.